Any messages in the body how cold it is across much of the United Kingdom today. Cold northerly winds, and they are quite strong, and we're still going to see some wintry showers even at some of the lower levels across many parts of Britain, especially for the hills and moors. Gusts of wind up around 45 to 65 miles an hour at times. Now those winds will gradually ease. In fact, across these western areas the wind's easing off tonight and tomorrow, but still very keen across eastern Scotland and down along the North Sea coast. Still some showers around for the rest of the afternoon. They're going to continue, the most frequent and heavy of which are across parts of Northern Ireland and especially across Scotland. The north of Scotland quite badly affected by blizzard conditions. Across the top of Scotland we've got winds in excess of 70 miles an hour in the gusts, and of course the snow's being blown off the hills and mountains and filling in some of those higher routes. Now for the rest of Britain we will see a little bit of sunshine in between the showers, but the showers will fall as sleet and snow, especially for the hills and moors. It won't feel very warm because of the strength of that wind. These figures are a bit academic really. We're looking at perhaps 7 or 8 degrees out of the wind, but throw in that strong wind, it'll feel more like 0 to as low as -15 across the highest parts of Scotland. Now we do start to see a bit of a change as we move through today and tomorrow. This next weather system will eventually start to creep its way across. It's a rather slow progress, and I think eventually it's going to get in across some of these more western parts through Wednesday and into Thursday. But how far it gets across England and Wales and across eastern Scotland is a little bit uncertain at the moment. Still, for tonight, we start to see those showers tend to die away from the more western areas, still coming down the North Sea coast. A few showers arriving in eastern England, perhaps, through the night. And then that next weather system trying to get in from the west. So for a large part of Britain, it will be a frosty and cold night. Lowest temperatures -2 or -3. And then Tuesday's forecast, well, we're looking at still some showers down the east coast, but for a large part of England, Wales and Scotland, it'll be dry. The next band of rain trying to get through, and then really making progress by Wednesday. And the leading edge of that rain will bring some sleet and snow, even at low levels. That's the forecast.